Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you once and for all why the why the auto shift sometimes works and sometimes it doesn't work. And the way that I figured it out is that I noticed that whenever I do the whole thing fast, it works. But whenever I do it slow, it just simply doesn't work. But the reason is not the flow, but the movement of the steering wheel. So notice while I'm doing this, if I do it quick, it will work. If I turn the wheel slowly, it will not work. And let me demonstrate that. So we go ahead to this, right? If I do it slow, nothing's going to happen. But if I do it quick, it will switch to reverse. And again, if I do it quick, it will work. If I do it slow, nada. It doesn't matter how far I go, it will not work. But if I do it quick, it works. So I'm not sure why Tesla decided to do this, if it's a technical limitation or not. I don't think it is, because they can tell where the steering wheel is at any time. It might have to do with a refresh rate, but even with a refresh rate, you can tell when there is a change in the direction of the wheel. Now, another thing that's weird is, why do you even need the change of the direction of the wheel? If you get to an end point and you press on the brake, it should just switch to forward. I'm not sure why the steering wheel makes any difference. So this was my quick video, and I hope it made sense. And if you have any comments or any suggestions on how to fix this, or if you know somebody at Tesla that could tell us why this is not working, I would appreciate that. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.